Gator Pit, Texas, custom barbecue pits. This is an entertainer going to Orange Beach, Alabama. Got a nice grill over here, 106K fryer burner, lock storage box, 3,500 pound axle, Dexter axles, propane tank holder, quick connect regular hose. Again, your fryer burner, control valves. You got your vertical smoke box, dual birdhouse stacks, 24 by 60 two-door main chamber. 4 sliding meat racks there, 4 sliding meat racks there. I'm got a nice 304 brush stainless steel front shelf. Again, your steel fenders, your standard light kit. All trailers at Gator Pits come with temporary tags. We've got gas assist, and we have a 1/2 inch thick firebox with some probe ports there. Probe ports on that vertical box as well. Again, that's a nice 1/2 inch thick firebox, stainless steel cool touch handles. This is going to get towed to Alabama by that gentleman right there. If you want a Gator Pit, give us a call, 713-896-0144. We can get you built and get you shipped anywhere you're at, even overseas. Thank you.